It's TA with MK. It's TA with MK. Hello there, thank you for clicking on the video. I just want to give you a quick heads up that the price predictions in this video for this coin are based on a formula that I came up with. I'll leave a link in the description to that video where I discuss more in depth how I came up with these numbers. Just understand that in this particular video, we'll just be discussing the price predictions, briefly touching on the formula, but again, the more in-depth analysis of exactly where I've come up with these numbers and percents are all going to be inside of that video. Watch that first. Come back, watch this. Chainlink, Chainlink, Chainlink. Connecting the world to blockchains. The coin that we're talking about in today's video or giving price predictions for is the coin Chainlink, ticker LINK, L-I-N-K. Let's go. Now, if you've been following any of my videos to this point, then you know the drill. We start out here on CoinGecko.com. We have some information we need to gather for this coin before we can apply it to my formula. Now, the first thing we want is the rank or the current rank of the coin, which in this case is position number 18. And then we want to look at the circulating supply and the max supply. And if they differ, we need to find out if and when there's any token unlocks coming up, or if the tokens have all been unlocked and the circulating supply just hasn't updated to reflect that. Now, this one was a bit tougher to track down, and in most videos I use cryptorank.io. I'll leave that link in the description. For today's video, I actually am using this website chainbroker.io. It's the closest one I could find, or the only one I could really find that kind of breaks down how their vesting works. It says that 100% of the private, public, and team is all unlocked. However, it says the operations, which makes up 35% of their tokens, is locked for another 28 months. Now, I plan on selling any Chainlink that I hold before the end of 2025, so it looks like I won't need to worry about that 35%. I'll just need to worry about the other 65%. Next, we're going to head over here to my Google Sheets document, which I'll leave the link in the description. This is something you can look at on your own time and apply other coins to this, or even other position possibilities for Chainlink itself. Now, I'm only going to briefly touch on this, but if you come over here to the right, you'll see the formula that I'm actually using is just taking the market cap, dividing by the circulating supply, and that gives us a price. Now, this isn't anything that I came up with. This is literally how you get the price of a coin. Is you take the market cap, divide it by whatever the current circulating supply is, and that gives you that current price that you're looking at for that coin. All that we're doing is we're taking projected market caps based on, position rankings and applying that to the coin using that formula. So in this case, Chainlink was at position 18. So over here across from 18, I can see 17.2, 18.9, 21.7, and 24.5. Now these are billion, and they represent a potential market cap. So we would take those projected market caps, divide it by that circulating supply of 650 million, and that's going to give us a projected price for Chainlink. And then just to briefly touch on this up here, all this is potential prices that Bitcoin could hit, which give us these projected market cap sizes for these different positions. So we have 91K, 100K, 115K, and 130K. So what I've been doing in these videos, I've been taking the first price prediction and it's showing you how I get it using the formula, of course, and then I just present the data for the rest. So if Chainlink were to stay right where it's at, which is currently position 18, we follow that across, and the first market cap we get is 17.2 billion. So we're going to put 17.2 billion in here, and then we're going to divide that by the 650 million, which was the circulating supply, and we're going to hit equal, and that gives us a projected price of $26.46. All right, so I went ahead and crunched these numbers for you. So if you zoom in here, if it stays put at number 18, we have projected prices of $26.46, $29.07, $33.38, and $37.69 with an average price of $31.65. If we were to move up to position 13, we have projected prices of $38, $42, $48, and just under $55, average price of $46.07. And then if we were to move all the way to position 10, then we have projected prices of $67, $74, $85, and just over $96, with an average price of $80.76. All right, now before I give my own personal prediction for Chainlink for this bull run, I wanted to present the data for you really quick on a TradingView chart. I have a yellow line, a blue line, and a red line, each one just representing those different average prices based on those positions. So the yellow one here, position 18, at the average price of $31.65. You go up to this blue line, you have position 13, average price of $46.07, and then position number 10 up here in red with the average price of $80.86. And then I also just want to quickly show what those would mean on the chart as far as a percentage gain from where price sits now at the time of making this video, which was just over 18 bucks. Our yellow line here would be about a 73% gain. Our blue line would be about 153% gain, and then our red line up here would be just under 345%. And last but not least, what is my personal prediction for the price of Chainlink this cycle? Well, I'm a little more on the aggressive side than some other coins with Chainlink. I do think it has potential to reach the market cap of upwards of this position 10 prediction, which would be close to $80. I think it also lines up nicely with this fib retracement tool. If you take the top of last cycle to the bottom, it's right up there around the 1.618, which just kind of gives some confluence there. So I think that it has that potential. However, I'm a man of averages. So if you were to ask me where I think you should take the majority of your profits, or at least where I would plan to take the majority of my profits, it would be somewhere between like $55 and maybe $60, which from this point would be like a 3x. If it were to hit the $80, of course, that would be more like a 4x from here. That'll wrap it up for today's video. If you guys are enjoying these price prediction videos, do me a favor on your way out and please remember to leave a thumbs up, like and subscribe. We'll catch you in the next one.
It's T-A